folks, hey, welcome back to Fishing with Captain Sharky. Today we're out on the water at high tide and we're trying to pick up these redfish with artificial lures. And you can see today I used the Rapala subsurface imitation like a mullet, and we had a great day on the water. We caught several fish. We also used Exude, extreme baits, extreme scented baits, and then we used the Seaman 10X with red metal flake, 3.5 inch, 4 inch I think it is, with a paddle tail. And here's a real nice specimen for today that we caught. That's a nice girl there. Now we're going to release her today so somebody else can catch her. Here we go. Oh boy, look at that. Anyhow, folks, listen, we got a little bit of bad weather moving in on this weekend, but after the weekend, you need to get back out there on that water. It's a great time to fish. Right now, the fish are biting. Everything's biting. This is Captain Shark. Until next week.